Herbal teas for good health. Steaming, delicious herbal teas have become a favorite beverage for many people. In fact, people have been drinking herbal teas for centuries for their great taste and incredible medicinal properties. Herbal teas are made from different parts of the plants, such as the flowers, roots, seeds or bark. Making herbal tea is easy. You just need the herb in fresh or dried form, some hot water and less than 10 to 15 minutes to prepare a cup of tea. 1. Green tea to aid weight loss. Any list of healthy herbal teas will definitely start with green tea. One of the main benefits of green tea is that it supports weight loss and fights obesity. Obesity is the leading cause of many diseases, from heart problems to diabetes. Green tea can also fight cancer, prevent heart disease, reduce the risk of diabetes, boost immunity and lots more. To make the tea, put 1 to 2 teaspoons of good quality green tea leaves in a cup. Pour hot water over them. Cover and steep for 2 to 3 minutes. Strain, add a little raw honey and drink it. You can drink 3 to 4 cups of green tea daily. 2. Ginger tea to ease arthritis pain. This pungent herb is an all-time favorite for people dealing with any kind of inflammation. For those suffering from arthritis, ginger tea's anti-inflammatory properties are very effective at reducing pain and inflammation. In addition, it helps boost circulation, which also helps combat pain. To make the tea, put 1 tablespoon of ginger slices and 2 cups of water in a small pot. Bring the water to a boil, then simmer for 10 minutes. Strain out the ginger slices. Add honey and a little freshly squeezed lemon juice. Drink 2 or 3 cups of ginger tea daily. 3. Chamomile tea to fight insomnia. When it comes to herbal teas for health, the list will remain incomplete without mentioning chamomile tea. It is one of the best herbal teas to fight insomnia and other sleep disorders. To make the tea, put 1 teaspoon of dried chamomile or 2 teaspoons of fresh chamomile flowers in a cup of hot water, cover and let it steep for 5 minutes, then strain it. Add a little raw honey and drink it while it is still warm. Note: avoid this herb if you are pregnant or trying to get pregnant. 4. Peppermint tea to fight indigestion. The refreshing and minty flavor of peppermint is all that you need to improve your digestive system when suffering from indigestion and other gastrointestinal problems. It soothes stomach muscles and the intestines. It also helps relieve irritable bowel syndrome symptoms, such as stomach cramps and bloating. To make the tea, steep 1 tablespoon of fresh peppermint leaves in a pot of hot water for 10 minutes. Strain out the leaves. Allow it to cool and drink it. You can drink 3 to 4 cups of peppermint tea per day. This herb, however, is not suitable for people suffering from acid reflux disease as it relaxes the sphincter muscle, which increases the chances of the regurgitation of stomach acid back into the esophagus. 5. Basil tea to combat bad breath. The beautiful fragrance of the herb basil is perfect for fighting bad breath, also called halitosis. Basil is rich in antioxidants and antibacterial properties that help fight odor-causing bacteria inside the mouth. This in turn can also ward off pyorrhea and various other periodontal diseases. To make the tea, put 2 teaspoons of dried basil leaves in a cup. Pour boiling water over the leaves. Cover and steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and sweeten with raw honey if desired. Drink 2 to 3 cups of basil tea a day. 6. Sage tea to soothe a sore throat. When you suffer from a sore throat, you can sip warm sage tea for instant relief. Also, it relieves irritation and inflammation in the throat. Its antimicrobial properties help fight off colds as well as soothe a sore and irritated throat by slowing the growth of harmful bacteria in the throat. To make the tea, put 1 tablespoon of fresh sage leaves or 1 teaspoon of dried sage in a cup. Pour in 1 cup of boiling water. Let for 5 minutes, then strain out the leaves. Add some lemon juice and raw honey to enhance its taste and effectiveness, then drink it. Note: sage is not recommended for pregnant or breastfeeding women as well as those suffering from epilepsy. 7. Lemon balm tea to reduce anxiety. Lemon balm is an herb well known for treating anxiety. It works as a mild relaxant and nerve tonic, thus aiding in reducing anxiety, promoting sleep and calming the mind. Drinking lemon balm tea regularly can make your skin look younger, boost alertness, sharpen memory, improve liver health, maintain blood sugar level, improve appetite and lots more. To make the tea, put 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried lemon balm in a cup. Pour boiling water into the cup. Cover and steep until it's cool enough to drink. Drink it just once a day. 8. Dandelion tea to improve liver health. Dandelion is a healthy herb that can regenerate, cleanse and purify the liver. This powerful liver tonic helps metabolize fat accumulated in the liver, which in turn promotes proper liver function. It also increases the flow of bile and helps detoxify the liver. Drinking dandelion tea is beneficial in losing weight, normalizing blood sugar levels, removing toxins from the body, suppressing appetite, fighting inflammation, regulating high blood pressure and preventing urinary disorders, to name a few. To make the tea, add 2 teaspoons of dried dandelion root to 1 cup of water. Boil it for a couple of minutes. Remove it from the heat and let it steep for about 10 minutes. Strain and drink your tea. 9. Hibiscus tea to lower blood pressure. For controlling blood pressure, hibiscus tea is one of the best options that you should definitely try. Hibiscus contains antioxidant compounds that help prevent the oxidation of low-density lipoproteins, LDL, or bad cholesterol, which contributes to atherosclerosis and heart disease. It also helps regulate high blood pressure. It can also speed up the metabolism and help with healthy, gradual weight loss. To make the tea, add 2 tablespoons of dried hibiscus petals to 2 cups of water. Bring it to a boil, then simmer for 10 minutes. Strain out the leaves, then add raw honey and a little lemon juice for taste. Drink 2 to 3 cups of hibiscus tea daily. Note: if you are pregnant or nursing, do not drink hibiscus tea as it may increase the risk of complications. 10. Rose hips tea to boost immunity. Rose hips are a wonderful source of immune-boosting vitamin C. In fact, rose hips contain about 20 times the vitamin C as oranges. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant, which is important for the immune system and tissue health. It can help prevent both bacterial and viral infections. Drinking rose hips tea boosts adrenal function, providing plenty of extra energy and alertness. To make the tea, put 4 tablespoons of whole dried rose hips in a saucepan. Add 4 cups of water to it. Cover, bring it to a boil and then simmer for 5 minutes. Strain it into a teapot and drink when sufficiently cool.